I'll check it out in a minute. What's up, everybody? I got a 2012 Toyota Camry, and we're doing the seat belts on the back. So first thing you want to do is disconnect your negative battery cable. Wait 90 seconds before touching anything, before disabling the SRS supplemental restraint system. Next thing you're gonna do is come back. You're gonna pull up on the back seat. So what you do is just grab here and pull up on both sides. It's gonna be hard as shit. And what you're doing is taking this. You got these hooks right here that go inside here. And it says that you're not supposed to reuse these hooks, but we're gonna fucking reuse them anyway. Just pull that shit up. Then you gotta get these seats loose. To do that, hold on one sec. You gotta come back here, pull up on these. 1 and 2, these are your seat release. It says to pull. If you look at them, let me see what they. So if you look at them, there are little pictures that say to pull the tabs down. Anyways, so you pull these tabs and they'll pull the seats forward. So now you can pull your seats forward. Alright, next thing you gotta do is get this up. To do that, if you see these little white tabs right here, well, on the back side, you come back here, you'll see the corresponding holes on the back side where the tabs are. You need to push those through, and then you can push these up. What I have done is I just came and I pushed them ahead of time, and I fucking ripped the damn Velcro off right here. But anyway, there's your yeah, I fucked that one up. But we're doing this shit for free. We ain't getting paid for this, so I really don't feel too bad about it. Alright, there's your seatbelt retractor right there. And there's only one bolt holding it in, which is a 14 right there. There's your 14mm right there. And this plastic piece right here is a seatbelt retractor that we're actually replacing. And then it goes through here. And then you have the 14mm bolt holding it down right here. So we need to pull that out. And as you can see, the seatbelt has been cut. And the middle one's actually been cut also. So, go ahead and pull these out. So one right there. And just put the bolt right there. And then I'll take my 14. These are cold. Now you good? Let me come check out and see how much pressure you got in that tire. Okay, so there's a 14mm bolt right there. And that's it right there. And there's your new assembly.
Thanks, Grandma.
So that's the bolt that we took out at the bottom right there. There it is, and that's your seat belt retractor assembly. There's an explosive device in here for the safety, the seat belts. So basically all you gotta do is boom, take that bolt out right there, it's a 14, and then boom, slide this right down in there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Here you go. You wanna hold it?
Hey.
Hey, Aaron. Okay, so there's your seat belt, What you videotaping? You want to get... There's your seatbelt, the old one right there. And see, you can see right there where it was cut. Back up some, boy. Back up some. You're too close. Alright, so there's the broken seatbelt right there. We're going to keep this seatbelt right here because we might be able to use it to pull the engine out or something like that. Really... Oh, shit. Oops. That...
Dang.
Try to be careful with that stuff now because it can possibly explode on you.
You mean like a dominate?
Yeah, it'll blow up.
You mean like a grenade?
Yeah, just like a grenade. Yep. Alright, so now this looks backwards. Now, you're supposed to remove the quarter panel and all that crap. This is just a shortcut bullshit way to do it. And you'll kind of feel it like drop down into place once you got it in the right area. Son, I think you're supposed to be recording the auto repair. You all right, baby. Move over some, baby.
Now I can relax. Here, can you record that? You know, record what? Record that with
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. My leg hurts right here. My leg hurts right here.
There we go. That's good. Alright, yeah. Alright, so anyways, boom, there it is. Got it in there, bolted down. And before I tighten this down, actually, I forgot to come in through that hole. So you want to come in through this hole right here and then come through this right here. So I'm about to pull this back through. Alright, so basically you just pop that out with your hand and just slide it on there. Did it show up yet?
No.
Well, damn. Let me go look it up. Anyways, so boom, just pop that back in there. Alright. And there's two clips on each side, which you need to slide in like this. Just putting that back in there, right there, like that. Alright. Then you can put this back down here. Goes down in there like that. Alright, so anyways, all you gotta do, put your 14mm bolt back on there like that. And then just put it all back together. Slap this back on there. You're good to go. Anyways, now that's just like a real bullshit kind of way to do this real fast. According to the procedure, the service manual, you're really supposed to, the right way to do it is take out this quarter panel right here, this whole thing, drop the headliner down, remove this whole thing, take these out right here.
How do I look?
No, actually you can leave these on. And also, I think they said remove this or... Anyways, a bunch of bullshit. So anyways, that's the fucking quick and easy kind of bullshit way to do it. But that'll save you some fucking time though. So if you want to just get it done, this is how you can do it. Alright, appreciate you watching. 2012 Camry seatbelt replacement. Peace. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. To disable the SIR system, the Srs Airbags or whatever, you see that yellow connector right there? Right there.
These are all mine.
That yellow connector right there, unplug that. That's your SIR, and that's on the driver's side,
So is my Google
rear.
Hey, look at this.
So go to the passenger side,
I never heard this one. How did this? That's
and
yours.
it's gonna be right
That used to be mine, right?
there.
What's that called again?
But that's how you disconnect the SIR, the airbag system, back in the back. Well, actually that's that side, and then you got, I'm sorry, the one that I disconnected was right here on the actually on the driver's side rear. So that's it right there. There's one on each side actually. So basically on this one on the driver's side, you come down right there on the outside. It's right there. So that's how you disconnect the SRS airbag system. I forgot to show you that step, but basically, so first thing after you disconnect the battery, you want to wait 90 seconds before you disarm that, before you disconnect that or pull that plug. So disconnect the battery, wait 90 seconds before you even touch the SRS system. Then you disconnect it, boom, and you can plug it back in, and then put your battery back on after the job is complete. All right.